Why do 100% of hair lovers rave about this cream? Let's find out. Tired of dealing with dry, damaged hair from bleaching, coloring, and heat styling? Meet your new best friend, Mycro Keratin Magic Cream Bond Repair Mask. This powerhouse product works magic on your hair, restoring protein peptide chains and strengthening hair bonds. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it gives your hair deep hydration for silky, soft locks. And the best part? You only need 3 minutes. Imagine salon-quality results at home. Yes, please. Just apply, leave for 3 minutes, and rinse. Voila! Your hair is instantly shinier, smoother, and more vibrant, suitable for all hair types, whether it's straight, curly, or textured. Mycro Keratin Magic Cream is the quick fix you need to revive your hair and boost your confidence. So why wait? Transform your hair from damaged to dazzling in just 3 minutes. Try Mycro Keratin Magic Cream Bond Repair Mask today. Your hair will thank you. Remember, it's not just magic, it's Mycro Keratin magic.